Hey YouTube, I have a bunch of little stamps here that I made. I got a set of stamps from Unity and it came like this with all this excess rubber. So I cut some pieces off and I'm going to use them in my tiny journal. And I'm going to use, I thought VersaFine, but I think I really like for something to be archival. I'm going to zoom you in a little bit. And we're just gonna stamp them out in the little journal and see how they go. This is an old one I made with some foam years ago. I like to do a test page, test stamp first, see what we're working with. And the cool thing about that is to do that. So I think I will do that. I like it. So there's that one. We'll just clean it off. I do, ooh, kind of like that. Some lighter. Cool. And then I'm gonna get my stamp block. It's on easy mount, I believe, or something like that. See what it does. It's a new stamp, so, and then little tiny one. And a little bigger one. See what it does. Good and solid. Let's get some that are off the page. Okay. Then need a longer block. And I've got this baby, which is really too big for this book. So we will try this little tiny one. Oh, see, it's cute, but it doesn't want to stay on. So let's see if I got a little better block. Cleaner. use your fingers, get it stuck to the block. Didn't want to do that because I didn't want my fingers all grody, but they are. So here, kept falling over. So it's a delicate little stamp I made. It's not working well. There we go. I finally got a good impression with it. And I just wanted to test it out. I'll have to figure out a way to make it work a little better. So I got a bigger one that should stay. What does it look like? It's just a little nothing, a little noise. Turn it around. And that's it for just a little few minutes in the tiny journal with new stamps.